guys, welcome back to the channel. This is LaDon. Welcome to the No Lie Naturally Me channel. I'm so excited to share this Black Panther inspired style with you guys. As you know, I uploaded it to Instagram. You guys loved it. So I did a live stream tutorial. We had such a good time. I love you guys. We were on for like over an hour. So I thought I would create this abbreviated tutorial because many of you told me you were going to wear this style to the Black Panther movie when it is released. So I hope you guys like this quick tutorial. All right, so we're going to start out by sharing some of the products I use. So I use this drawstring ponytail. I used Goddess Curls by the Curls line. I used bobby pins. I didn't use this, but you can use this kind of scarf to like flatten your hair. We're going to be creating a ponytail in this tutorial. And so if you have difficulty getting your hair to lay down or you just really want it to look really polished, I love this particular scarf because the fabric is thin and your hair will dry really quickly beneath it. And then you can use a ponytail holder. Doesn't matter what color because it won't be visible. And I couldn't remember what else I wanted to share with you guys, but now I remember it was the charms I used to create the crown. So I'll show those to you a little bit later in this tutorial. So I'm starting out by just moisturizing my hair. I'm adding a little bit of water because I like to do that to ensure my hair is very pliable, especially when I'm manipulating it, especially for a ponytail. Also, it helps your hair to benefit from the elasticity water provides to the hair, so you don't have to worry about doing any damage while you're manipulating it. I'm adding a little bit of water to the ends because this is actually a great protective style. So if you wanted to leave your hair in this style for multiple days, I highly recommend that you add water to the ends of your hair just to keep your ends moisturized and to minimize any dryness or breakage. So I'm going to take my boo, y'all know I love Elucence Moisture Balancing Conditioner. It is like my favorite conditioner of all time. So I'm just going to take a little bit of it and I'm going to put it toward the ends of my hair to seal in the moisture we just added throughout the hair, but especially on the ends. And then I'm going to go ahead and use a wide tooth comb to detangle the hair. I like to detangle my hair really well before I put it in a ponytail, especially if I know it's going to be in the ponytail for a while, because it just makes things easier when you take it down and manipulate it before your wash day. So do take the time to do that. It'll pay benefits in the long haul. I know it can be annoying to work with ponytails, but one of the things I like to do is like move my hair in the position of where I want the ponytail while I'm detangling it and while I'm messing with it, instead of just going ahead and putting it right into the ponytail, because I just find that it's easier to get the hair to go in the direction I want if I just work with it a little while. So here I'm adding a little bit of gel. This is the Goddess Curls gel by the Curls brand, and I decided to use it and I'm laying it down with a soft end of a boar's hair brush because I wanted a soft hold on my hair and I wanted to get my hair to be as flat as possible. I didn't want to have a lot of strayaways, but I don't want my hair to look or feel hard. And so this is like a very moisturizing soft hold gel. And then I'm just tying it in a ponytail and that's it. Good to go. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and add my drawstring ponytail, and I'm going to loosen the drawstring as much as possible. So you want the drawstring clasp to be toward the end of those strings so that it's completely open. The netted part is completely open, and then you're going to take the comb at the top of the drawstring ponytail, and then you're going to use it to place the top of that ponytail right in front of your actual ponytail. And then you're going to take the bottom of the drawstring ponytail and secure that near your nape or the back of your head. Then you're just going to use a few bobby pins like I did to secure the sides. I only needed one on each side, but use as many as you feel you need. You're going to be using bobby pins to place your charms into your head. And so that's going to give you a little extra security as well. But yeah, doesn't it look gorgeous? Like that's all you did and it looks great. All right, so these are the charms I was talking about. These are filigree, I think that's how you pronounce it, charms. I got these off of Amazon. I'll put a link to it in the info section of this video. And I'm going to take this bobby pin and I'm just going to loop the clasp of the charm into the bobby pin, and then I'm just going to secure it to my head. Now notice that I'm pulling the hair in front of the demarcation line between the ponytail and my natural hair. And the reason I'm doing that is to hide it. So you have a very natural kind of seamless look. All right. And then also if like the wind blows or anything like that, you don't have to worry about the hair moving and people being able to see the line or, you know, where the drawstring ponytail begins and your hair ends. So I like to work from like right to left to make sure that I get a balanced look. My goal here is to create like a crown effect. I thought that was so appropriate for Black Panther. And so I'm really just using like 5 or 6 of these charms, but you could place these like throughout the head. Like you could do a crown like this, or you could come up with your own design. You could even put it like in the back sides, all through the wig. So you have these beautiful little flecks of gold popping out through your curls. I think that would be absolutely gorgeous as well. Um, so like use your imagination. This is just what I decided to do in this particular video, but these charms are absolutely gorgeous and the contrast with the dark hair is nice. Like this unit has highlights in it, and so it just plays really nicely off of the colors. And you know, has a very royal look to it. So yeah, just play around with the placements of the charms and, you know, do what works for you. As you can see, I'm moving them around just to get the overall look I want. And then you're done. Seriously, you can do this in 10 minutes. You got this, girl. But you're done. Now, if you want to make sure that like your edges look really polished, you could use an edge control gel. I'm using one by Revital Edge, which I love because it actually strengthens your edges. It's not drying, and the best part is when you put this stuff on, girl, this edge control got you until whenever you decide to move that hair. It literally stays in place, but it doesn't feel hard. Like I don't like hard hair. I like touchably soft hair. So this is a great gel to me. You know, if it can strengthen my hair while giving me the look I want, like you cannot ask for more than that. But yeah, you just want to manipulate your edges till you get the look you want. You don't have to do that. Like edges are edges. They all look good. But if you like your edges done, then yeah, you could play with them a little bit. And that's it. So I hope you guys like this look. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. You don't have to cut this ponytail, so if that's not your thing, you don't have to worry about it. You can finger shape it and you've got a beautiful look. I hope you guys like the video and I will see you next time. Bye.